Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Roborock Q5 not connecting to Wi-Fi. If you want to fix the issue, then you will need to follow some steps. Here you will see on the Reddit, people provide their opinion regarding this. They says that switch the Wi-Fi network to 2.5 GHz, completely reset my internet box, completely reset the robot, change Wi-Fi password, log in via Xiaomi Mi Hub, connect manually by going to find the robot's Wi-Fi myself. Nothing helps. It is impossible to connect the robot and thereof to add to my application. So this is the problem. Here in the down, people provide the solution regarding this. Here you will see one people says that mine would not connect until I turn mobile data off on my mobile. Then it connect, no problem. Here you will see the another people says that it works. So the solution is to turn off your mobile data. So simply turn mobile data off, then try again to connect it to your robot. So simply turn off your mobile data, then try again. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.